Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this really nice outdoors mountain and waterproof jacket for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. Let's take it out of the package as it comes. I ordered it on size L, large, which I think it's really nice. As you can see, it's really nice. Okay, it has a beautiful color scheme and it feels of a great quality. It has a really nice weight to it, which I think it's gonna do a really nice job of protecting us against all the type of weathers. As you can see, I'm outside and it's really cold right now, and it's, well, seems like it's gonna rain, and I think it's really nice because, as I've said, this is a, well, waterproof jacket. Okay, as you can see, it has 4 on the inside. You have these straps so you can place anything that you want, and you can, well, close it upon the waist. You have 1 pocket in here and a hidden pocket in this side, which I think is great. We can also take the hoodie off with this zip, which I think is really great, really practical. As you can see, it was really easy. So let's try it on. It even has space for where you can place your hands, and it's like a glove like, which I think is great. It's really nice. It feels really comfortable. I like a lot these hands that you can adjust it, make it a little bit tighter upon your hands, and I think it's nice because you can use it to go skiing, any outdoors activities. I think it's gonna be really nice. You can close the zipper like this and be really well protected. You have these secured zippers right here, which I think they're great. We've got another zipper right here, like a stash card like design, which I think it's really nice. As I've said, we can adjust the waist with this knob right here, making it tighter. And we also have the hoodie that we can put on. As you can see, I have it, well, stretched from the waist, so it's a little bit more closed these sides. As you can see, we can close it up like this. Even the hoodie have all our neck really well protected, like this and like this. And now we're ready to do any outdoors activities like, well, skiing, going outside. I think it's really nice. It's really soft. It feels great. It's really warm. It doesn't feel at all the, well, it isolates really nice the temperature, which I think it's really nice. We can also close the hoodie. We can close the hoodie like this, and being really well protected, which I think it's nice. And that way you can be really well protected, which I think it's really nice. And overall, I think it's a great option. As I've said, it's waterproof. Let's test that out. I have a water pitcher right here, and, well, you can see the water just slides off. Once again, which I think it's great. My tennis ain't waterproof, but, well, that's a problem of not today. But as you can see, it slides just off, which I think it's nice, so you can use it on any kinds of weather, which I think it's really nice. And overall, I really like it. It's really comfortable. As I've said, I like it that it has many different, well, pockets and anything. It's really soft. I think it's gonna do a really nice job. However you want to use it, whenever you want to use it, I think it's really great option. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.